You can. It's to help the even spread, to level it out, but generally speaking, the pressure should press it out by itself.
Apply an approximately 3 by 3 millimeter drop of thermal grease and spread it evenly.
See, this is why I also didn't want to.
You don't want to do
I didn't want to deal with that. Just place that bitch on there. You're done. Wait, it's all good. But then you have the conventional way. I have the new way of doing it. And then if my thermals are bad, then I'll just have to use the natural thermal paste.
Is that to clean the thing?
Yeah, I used to have things. Let me see.
I have this in here, and that came with my motherboard.
Okay.
Was it my motherboard or was it? No, it was this.
The cleaning wipes?
Yeah, it's just this.
Yeah. How many do you have? Just one?
Yeah, it's not like an actual. It's like a.
Here, hold on. You can hold this. I might have something. We'll see.
Okay.
I don't know if it still works. JK, I don't have them anymore. But anyways, there used to be it's a purifier thing. Basically, it's like some solution that purifies the top, and then you clean it off afterwards with alcohol. But yeah, I don't have that. My bad, guys. Anyways, so this is Corey doing the prep. Wipe it off, nice and clean.
Yeah.
7,700 Uggs, baby. So your cooler basically just mounts one way. I mean, like in your orientation, depending on your bracket, or is it like mine, where it's different brackets for different orientations?
Nope, just one way.
Wow, convenient.
Yeah. So 3 by 3.
Basically, they say a bar is the size of a grain of rice.
I guess
That's good enough for me. Yeah, it's about right. You guys be the judgment in the comments. But yeah, and then he's just gonna put that boy on there. Oh, you're spraying it?
Yeah, it's that too.
Okay, yeah, go ahead. Yeah, you do you. Okay.
Should I?
It's up to you.
No, you know what?
Let's
spread it by this.
All right. He's going old-fashioned pressure, boys. Yeah, don't drop it.
I know, because this will do damage.
It would. Do you need me to hold it? There you got it. Looks like it's gone then.
No, no, it's off the mark.
Oh, off a little bit? Okay.
All these are magnetic.
Are they? That's pretty dope. Alright, looks like... to me, yeah, it looks like it's going in.
Yeah, it is, okay.
Yeah. Alright, and that's basically a cooler install. I have to do that on mine. Since you already said Corey do it, I will show you mine. A similar process. Just I might F it up. So, you know, whatever. Woo! I have to crank this down.
I didn't realize how much pressure you have to put on this thing.
I think it's just, if it turns.
I'm still trying to get this side in here.
Let's check what it's like on the back. Looks about right. What is that? I'll figure it out later. Now, throw my pad on there.
Man, this
How do you use the pressure? If you want me to do it, hold it so you can.
I'm just trying to make sure it's.
Yeah.
No, it's here.
Okay. Alright.
Thanks.
Good luck. Good luck.
Could have sent a bigger one than this. Here's my room.
Oh my god, Corey, it's beautiful.
Screw you. It works though.
Yeah, listen, bro. I told you
I
you
know.
could give it a shot. And you were like, I was like, alright. Yeah. Here, I'll show you what it looks like on mine. Basically, it just literally just sits on top, and that's all you have to do. Like, it's simple. Oh! I didn't make the camera close enough. Alright. And then I can basically take this on.
It's hard to finally get a screw to catch.
Okay, yeah, I think it has to sit like this. There's no way. Alright, that's fine. There you go. Just like that.
Oh, you were going to do it that way? Instead of...
Oh, I tried, you're right, the heat sinks did,
Oh, yeah, it did.
yeah. Maybe I should put it in the other one. I should put it this way. No, because I can't put it this way. Yeah, I think this is the way it has to